Hello
Go.
everyone.
Wait. Go.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Thomas, again. So basically, what we're gonna do right now is I'm here right now, just chilling, and it's been a while, but the 20th subscriber special, which it's been a while. I'm sorry that it's been like so long, but I'm here with it. It's the air horn prank. Hopefully nobody will get so mad. And we're gonna try to be like ninjas, you know? Try to make sure that nobody gets angry, okay? So.
I want to follow you guys on YouTube. What's the name?
Thomas Biamonte, the next Walt.
Thomas Biamonte, the next one.
It's
Yes.
Next Walt. It's not the,
The next Walt.
The next Walt. B-I-A-M-O-N-T-E.
Okay, so okay, we've got some. So we're just gonna try to go around, see what we can do.
This little girl coming out. Don't scare her.
I won't. It's good. Know what I'm probably gonna ask though? I'm probably gonna ask them, hey, is my air horn working?
No.
No. Why not? You know?
No.
Okay, so where do you think that I should go first, Daddy? Huh?
Stay right here.
I'm just gonna let off one right now. See if. Wait. We kind of scared them.
Oh.
Can I go with Tesco?
What?
Can I go with Tesco? Can I?
He's doing a YouTube video.
So, sir, I'd like to ask you: is my air horn working? I seriously don't know. Like, I think that I broke it.
Yeah, press the button.
Gotcha.
He's gonna get smacked doing that. Yeah? Thank you.
Okay.
It's a baby in that carriage.
Yeah, I'm not gonna scare the baby. Okay. So we're continuing going on. Hopefully, this is gonna be a good video. Yeah,
You don't stick it in
I
your
know.
face when you do it. You just do it away.
I know. That's what I
Do
did.
it now. Do it now.
What?
Just do it. Do it again. You press it down too slow.
Oh my God! They didn't even hear that.
They heard it. They didn't care what it was.
They didn't even hear that, you guys. So far, this is a fail. I want to try to get some of the cars. Come on. Let's move. We're on an adventure. Should I just try to, like, get their reaction? They smiled, but there's no really reaction there, you know? Yeah, we're just trying our best here. I'm gonna go up with hopefully some people over here. Sorry if this video is very long, but, you know, it's a prank, you know? So it has to be long so we can get some good reactions. Hey, curve over here so we can see. They looked a little bit shocked. Huh? Get this guy. Oh, nothing really there. Very soon I'm gonna run out of toots. No, let's go further. Walk faster. So 20 subscribers special, even though we're at 79 subscribers. We need to make this big.
Here comes a car coming by.
Turn. Try to get their face.
Gotta move up. They're getting out of the car. Gotta hold it down so it's loud.
I think that I just ran out.
I don't think so. You gotta hold it down.
Okay. That's a secret, you guys. But I'm running out of...
You got plenty in there, buddy.
Okay, let's get this guy. Get that guy's reaction? You get him?
To her.
Oh, for her? Okay, I want to get another person.
And this video's over 6 minutes long so far.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. I've been uploading short videos. It's time to make a long one, you know? Can I just, like, wave inside?
No.
What?
You can wave.
Can I just, like... Should I, like, do it?
No.
No? No? Should I do this guy? Should I? Should I?
Just do it. You gotta hold it down. Someone's calling you?
Yeah, wait.
Who just
Here.
called you?
Okay,
Who's
somebody's calling me. I don't know who that was, but this guy doesn't even hear. Okay, now let's turn to Excuse me.
This Starbucks.
I don't know if my air horn is working. I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, like I've been trying it. It's not really working. I never seem to get it. You know? Try to get their reactions.
Do it loud. She flinched. Can you do that?
She flinched. Oh, this is great.
Alright, we should stop this video and do another one.
Okay. Wait. Before you do, how many minutes is on this video so far?
Over 8 minutes.
Over 8 minutes. Did you think that we got some good reactions? Okay. Enough? Are you sure that we don't want to do like one more? Or?
We can do another one, but let's start a new video.
Okay, but no, wait, no, don't. Okay, so for the final one, we're gonna try to get somebody. Okay, so turn around. This is gonna hopefully be our final one. Hopefully we'll get the best reaction. Get this one. Okay, come on.
He's barking.
We didn't really get a good reaction, but that's really it for this video. You guys don't press it yet, Daddy. When I tell you to, not now. My dad. That's it for this video, you guys. If you've liked this video, please leave a like on it, and subscribe if you also liked it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next, okay? And please, somebody help my dad, because he's just... if you could see what he's doing behind the camera. Also, leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see next on this channel. If you'd like to see another air horn prank, comment it down below. But to leave this off, I'm going to be tooting my final toot right here, and then the video will end. Let's go. 3, 2, except let it play out for a little. 3, 2, 1.
Turned around, looked at you.
What?
They turned around. Don't
Yep.
do that.
What? I think that we've run out of air horn. See, guys.
That's terrible.